there, and welcome to this particular Year 11 mini maths test. So let's read the first question together. So Harry has a combination lock. The lock uses 4 digits. Each digit takes a number between 0 and 9 inclusive. How many different ways can this lock be set? Choose the correct option. Now, with this type of question, it will take a very long time to actually work out each and every single digit if you were to write them down, to work out how many different types of ways this lock can be set, or how many different types of combinations there are. But let's just show you a very easy way. Now we're talking about 4 digits between 0 and 9. So if they're 4 digits, let's start with 0, 0, 0, and 0. So remember, there are 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 4 digits each, okay? Now, as a maximum, they will go up to 9,999 or 9999. All right, that's the maximum, because 0 is the smallest number and 9 is the biggest number. So the smallest combination we can have is 0, 0, 0, 0. And remember, the numbers can repeat themselves. And the biggest numbers that we can have are 9, 9, 9, and 9. So that means that we're just going to add 9,999 combinations with 0, 0, 0, because 0, 0, 0, 0 is one combination itself. If we were to add them together, in total, we get 10,000 various combinations on this particular lock. So 10,000 is going to be our final answer. Hope that makes sense. The rest of the questions are all very different with different working out methods. So good luck with these, and we'll work these out in our next lesson. Thank you.